Real quick, I want to share with you something that eBay is testing, and this is going to address some of the
I accept an offer and nobody ever pays.
eBay looks like they're testing something which would force people to pay, and I actually love it. So let's hop over to the computer. Let me show you exactly what's happening. We are going to start at the Seller Hub like I like to do for my tutorials. We're going to go to the messages, and you're going to see that I had an offer right here. And when we go to respond now, I have already accepted this offer. But if you go down to received, it shows nothing. If you go to sent, it shows nothing. If you go to the item page, you're going to see that this item is still for sale. It's still available. Let's go back to where the offers are, and I want to show you something that at least is new to me. And then I'm going to tell you a problem it created for me because I didn't know we were doing this. When you look at pending, it's going to show that this item is still awaiting payment. So I did a little bit of research. I found somebody else who had the exact same thing show up. And they asked in the eBay community what in the world was going on. And we got this answer right here. I don't know who Wasting Time is 101, but thank you, thank you, thank you. That's not an error. eBay is rolling out this test to force buyers to pay. When we go back here and look at awaiting payment, and it shows that it has been accepted, but until the buyer pays, this item remains available for other buyers. And I think that's awesome. Here's the downside. There's been a couple of times in the last 30 days or so for me where an item like this sells, and I'm here, I'm working at my computer. When it sells, I go into List Perfectly. I find my item. It's this one here on the bottom. And I mark it sold because that will take it off of Poshmark, and I don't accidentally sell it on Poshmark and eBay. No big deal. It's happened to me twice before today that when I mark this as sold, it takes it off of Poshmark, but then it takes it off of eBay. If an item is in pending, it gets taken off of eBay too, canceling the sale. What I have to do is if this item isn't paid immediately and it's going to be marked as pending, I need to go into Poshmark manually and take it down. I'll talk to Clara at List Perfectly. They're smarter than me. They will come up with a solution for this. But this, I think, is going to be a fantastic test. Hopefully something that's implemented permanently. I'm looking forward to people having to pay, or at least my item is still available to other people. So that's it for this one. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm going to see you real soon on the next one. Bye.